So I thought I'd wish you guys a happy 4th of July. It's Independence Day. Hope you're all having a nice fun time celebrating the birthday of the United States. It's the country's birthday. So you guys are having barbecues, watching fireworks, hopefully something fun, hanging out at a lake. Enjoy your freedom. People have fought really hard to keep our freedom. And you should thank every service member you can, when you can. And a big shout out to my friend's son, who just joined the Marines, and my nephew, who just joined the Marines. Good luck, guys, and stay safe. So I thought I'd show you guys some fireworks. So there you go. Happy 4th of July. Later.